Woo, look at that ground right there. We done got us a new project. We need an outside project. We still working on our bench, but now we got us an outside project. We've been talking about it for a while. Getting us a new chicken pen built. Well, we got a old one that's kind of dilapidated. It's been around for 20 years probably, so time to tear it down, put something new up. Probably gonna be something in the neighborhood of about 16 by 10 or 12. The ground is ready. It is not flat or level. The chicken pen will not be square and plumb. However, I doubt the future inhabitants will complain very much. So we got us a new outside project. We're gonna get that up in the next couple of days. But man, can y'all see them mountains in the background? I sure do appreciate my granddad buying this place 55 or 60 years ago. Whoo, that's beautiful. Let's get this chicken pen built. What y'all building out there with all that sawmill lumber?